This is the National Weather Service office at Greenville, Spartanburg.
Wow, they're early.
The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station KXI-81's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday.
Whew.
If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station KXI-81, broadcasting near Clayton, Georgia, on a frequency of 162.45 megahertz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in northeast Georgia: Banks, Habersham, Hall, Raven, Townsend, White. In North Carolina, Macon. And in South Carolina, Oconee. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards to an Alert test.